Well, as the Trump administration cracks down on DEI programs, some federal workers are telling NBC News that they are being personally targeted after a website published names, photos, and public information on what's being called a DEI watch list. A third-party website not affiliated with the government has been circulated in private group chats of public health employees across multiple agencies. The site accuses employees of what it calls DEI offenses, like working on diversity and equity initiatives. The website says it's a project of the American Accountability Foundation, a conservative watchdog group. NBC News health and medical reporter Berkeley Lovelace is with us to talk more about this. He's reported on this story. He joins me now. Berkeley, that conservative watchdog group that we're talking about and the Department of Health and Human Services have not responded to our request for comment, right? But what more do we know? Can you explain more about this website and what are workers telling you?
Yeah, right now it's really unclear when this website first appeared. The website lists mostly black employees who work within the Department of Health and Human Services. And so after speaking with sources, I can say that workers are pretty terrified right now. The website lists a number of, quote, offenses that these workers made, including working in DEI initiatives, donating to Democrats, and using pronouns in their bios. It also lists their personal information, such as photos and their salaries. At one point, the list had a headline that said, quote, targets, but that language was changed on the website shortly after we published our story, and we blurred out the images of those workers to protect their identities. A person we spoke with said this is clear racism and basically a scare tactic to try to intimidate these people from doing their jobs. So right now we're out to the group that appears to be behind this list, as well as HHS, and we're still waiting to hear back on this.
And beyond this, the Trump administration, Berkeley, has made a bunch of changes within the Department of Health and Human Services. What exactly is happening, and how could it impact people, around the country?
Yeah, so this comes after a pretty bruising week for public health care workers. So late last month, the Trump administration directed employees at HHS and other agencies to end any activities or jobs related to DEI and to turn in coworkers who didn't follow those orders. So there's also been a communications blackout where workers were not allowed to communicate with outside groups or with each other. And so there's some concerns about this, especially because we're in the middle of a pretty heavy flu season. There's also concerns around bird flu. But all in all, workers we've spoken with said they're pretty committed to doing their jobs right now.
Berkeley Lovelace, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.